This is how to upload videos, alright, on Google Drive on your Android device. That's the mobile version. First is to get to your Google Drive mobile app. So I will swipe this way and then I will get to it and tap on it. Once the drive opens, you will be on the Home tab. Alright, you can see Home is selected here. Tap on Files. Then this displays both the folders and some files you have. Alright, if you want to upload it on a separate folder, tap on the folder and then upload the video, or you can create a new folder and upload it. But here I want to upload it on my Drive home page. Okay, the next step is to tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. This will display some options for you. Our interest is to upload video, so select upload. On selecting upload, this will display some files on your Android. But note the configuration may be different depending on the type of Android device you're using. So let's go through the file manager. So I will tap on file manager option. Then I will select videos. Then this displays some videos. I look at this one called Visual Course. It's a folder that contains a video. So I'll tap on that option. Then the folder opens showing me the video available inside of it. I look at this file named vid2 2025-100 and that ends with 34.mp4. Tap on that circle, that's the check box in circle form. Then this is selected and the next step is to tap on done, which is at the bottom right. Then this shows you the file name and everything. But let's say the location where it will be uploaded is my file and your email address will show up, which is this here. Then you can change the name of the file from here. So I will type on that file name area and then change the name. Alright, I call this vistavideo.mp4. Alright, the next step is to tap on the upload button, which is at the top right. And this file is done uploading. Let's scroll to know if we can find it. And look at it here. We called it vistavideo.mp4. So that is it, okay?